All right, welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and I am here to talk to you guys really quickly about business credit. So, I'm going to give you guys the truth about building business credit with no personal guarantee. You're going to have a lot of people out there who are going to tell you on YouTube that you're going to be able to build business credit with no personal guarantee, and that they're going to sell you on all these dreams of how great business credit is. No personal guarantee, no personal guarantee, no personal guarantee. They're going to try to upsell you into all these different programs. And these programs are either going to do one of two things. They're going to give you they're going to give you information that is, you know, for their benefit, potentially outdated information. And, it's going to be information that they're going to be selling to you that you probably could just Google yourself if you actually, took out that time and researched. And it's going to be about building vendor counts, net 30s, things to that nature. And then you're going to find out once you start going down that line that these companies are also doing soft pulls on your personal credit a lot of the times, and that can determine whether you get no PG credit. And a lot of the bigger companies and banks that they're selling you on the ideas that you're going to be able to get approved from aren't going to actually be approving you through these no PG methods. They're going to actually require a PG from you with a newer company with no revenue, because it's just kind of preposterous that as a business you would be a business who's brand new, no revenue, and a bank is going to loan you out a bunch of money. Now, on the other hand, you're going to have other people who are going to try and sell you on these different programs or strategies or things that you could do to build up your corporate credit. And corporate credit, yes, it is a real thing. Yes, it is possible. However, the issue with corporate credit a lot of the times is the ways that these companies are trying to teach you to build corporate credit through, running other people's money through an account, faking, with using merchant accounts and all these other things. These are all things that can come back and they will fall on you, not on the company that is selling you these strategies or these techniques. So when you go and you apply for a company and they're supposed to be giving you corporate credit and they're talking about things such as faking, merchant deposits or, swiping someone's card in your merchant account and get them giving you the cash back, um, or you giving them the cash back to pay off their credit cards. All these different things are either unethical, immoral, and potentially illegal. And whenever these types of things occur in the financial industry or the financial realm, they always fall back on the person with the least knowledge of what's going on because the other people are going to be covering themselves in that situation. So whenever you're going to apply for business credit and you're told, these different things, please make sure that the person who's telling you these things is telling you them with the intent of you actually being able to profit off of that information and not only for their own consumption and their own abilities. And that's for anything, especially things that you watch on YouTube, because a lot of people are trying to sell courses and sell all these other things behind the scenes, and they're not worried about you as the little guy and what's going to fall on to you in the situation of everything crashing. If you're watching a YouTuber and there's some type of furu and they're giving you information and the information that they're giving you, it doesn't match up or it doesn't sound right, sounds too good to be true. Please cross check that information, as well as if they're not really giving you any information. If they're telling you you can do this, you can do that, but if you want to know how to do it, you have to buy my course. That's probably some information that you don't want. Because there's probably another way that you can access that information for free through experience or networking. Um, and some of these courses, yes, they're great, but definitely vet the course and vet the person who's offering the course and make sure that that course is going to be to your advantage if you're going to pay for it. With that being said, thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos and